Here's the answer for day one, problem one. Find the midpoint between these points. Negative 4, comma 4 is located up here in quadrant 2. 5, comma negative 2 is located here in quadrant 4. Let's draw a segment between these dots. We're asked to find the middle of the segment. Doing it visually, somewhere in this area appears to be the middle of the segment. Now to find that point exactly, we can use the midpoint formula. We're going to take this x-coordinate and this x-coordinate and average them. To average numbers, you add them together and then divide by 2. Now we're going to average the y-coordinates. So take this y-coordinate and this y-coordinate, add them together, and divide by 2. By doing this kind of math, we will get the ordered pair for the midpoint. Negative 4 plus 5 is 1, and 1 divided by 2 is a half. 4 plus negative 2 is 2, and 2 divided by 2 is 1. The midpoint is at 1/2, comma 1. So here's the origin. Go over half a unit, and then up 1 unit. Here's the midpoint of our segment. That's very close to the spot that we visually guessed. Day 1, problem 2. Line K is perpendicular to line L. Find an equation of line K. To do that, we need to know the slope of line K. And we can get that slope from the equation they give us for L. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take that equation, but rewrite it so the letter y is alone by subtracting the 3x to the right side. This format is called slope-intercept form, and that number there is the slope. Line K is perpendicular to line L, so the slope of line K is the opposite reciprocal of this slope. That's 1/3. Now we can write our equation for line K. Y subtract the y-coordinate of a point on line K, which is 4, is equal to the slope times x subtract the x-coordinate of a point that's on line K. That's negative 3. There's our equation for line K. We can now graph a picture of line K. We know it goes through negative 3, comma 4. That's located here in quadrant 2. And we know its slope is 1/3. So from this dot, go up 1 unit and right 3 units. Up 1 unit and right 3 units. And that gets us our diagonal line.